Hey, I'm Chris Bender. Welcome to another edition of Public Affairs Whiteboard. So in the past, we've talked a lot about strategy, and as one of the pieces of that, we talked about audience, knowing our audience, understanding them, understanding what's going to motivate them for the future. One of the concepts I want to talk about today is how to sort of rate the audiences. Here's what I mean. You're putting together your public affairs plan, there's your goal, and then you go, here are the audiences I got to move, and sometimes you have, one audience, two audience, three audiences, four. People on the Hill, NGOs, you name it. One of the challenges for us in public affairs is that sometimes we don't talk about which audience is first important, which is second, and so on and so forth. So when we have to make decisions about prioritizing spend, cutting, doing outreach, we don't know which should be in the right order. This technique I want to show you today is a way of getting that. So instead of just listing the audiences out, try this method. Build yourself a table. And on one side, put each of the audiences that you might be working. And then here, think about the criteria that are important to that audience. Do they understand your issue? Are they friendly to your industry and or your organization? Do they have the ability to shift public perception? Do they have the ability to shift the policy environment? And then rate those audiences based on those criteria. That will give you a number here. So in essence, what you've done is prioritize them based on data. Now, it's not perfect. It's not like you're using revenue numbers, but it's better than just saying audience one is most important. And it's important to do this because when you communicate inside your organization about the value of going after what audience first and what audience second, you can back this up with a little bit of data. Hope that helps. See you next time.